Introducing Git X-Modules, the modern workflow for modular Git projects. With Git X-Modules, you can compose multiple Git repositories into a single parent repository, leaving the original ones intact. The parent repository is just a regular repository on your Git server. So, by updating this repository, you can update multiple original repositories at once. When an original repository is updated, the parent repository automatically fetches the updates as well. Now, let's see how you can scale your workflow to many repositories with Git X-Modules. Usually, you have to interact with every Git repository individually. Clone each one of them to your machine, push a new feature to every repository separately, and then create multiple pull requests for further review. Any related changes are spread across multiple Git repositories. The more repositories you have, the more complex your workflow gets. With Git X-Modules, all the related changes are in a single parent repository. So you can clone a parent repository, update it with a new feature, and then create a single pull request that has all the related changes in one place. That makes your code review so much easier. You see, before Git X-Modules, the code reviewers had to check the related changes in every single repository. Merging those pull requests had to be done separately as well. With Git X-Modules, all the related changes are in a single parent repository, so the reviewers can see all the related changes in one place, and then merge them in the parent repository. So, Git X-Modules automatically applies the reviewed changes to individual repositories. Git X-Modules is more than that. It allows atomic updates to multiple components in your codebase. It's completely transparent to Git users, so you can use any Git client, any code review system, or any build server. Finally, you can add X-Modules while keeping your whole infrastructure intact. Git X-Modules enhances your workflow and never disrupts it. Download Git X-Modules command line tool for your Git server, or install Git X-Modules app for Bitbucket Data Center. Other plugins and integrations are coming soon. Git X-Modules is brought to you by Teammate Software, a team well known for its extraordinary support. The world's largest finance and technology companies rely on our products every day. Join them and start using Git X-Modules today.